Welcome to the Properties and Disorders of the Hair and Scalp course. In this course, you will learn about the structures of the hair root and shaft, the types of side bonds in the hair cortex, the growth cycle, types of hair loss, FDA-approved treatments for hair loss, common hair and scalp disorders, and the factors to observe during a hair and scalp analysis. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and distinguish the different structures of the hair root and shaft. Explain the three types of side bonds of the cortex. Describe the phases of the hair growth cycle. Identify types of hair loss and treatments. And recognize common hair and scalp disorders. Barbers need to understand how products and chemicals affect the hair structure, how to maintain a healthy scalp, and how to differentiate between normal and abnormal conditions. Performing a scalp and hair analysis before services is crucial. The scientific study of hair, its disorders, and its care is called trichology. Hair is part of the integumentary system, protecting the head from heat, cold, and injury while serving as a source of personal style. The main structures of the hair root are the follicle, bulb, dermapapilla, sebaceous glands, and erector pili muscle. The hair follicle is a tube-like depression in the skin that contains the hair root. The hair bulb forms the lower part of the hair root. The dermapapilla is a small, cone-shaped elevation at the base of the follicle. Sebaceous glands secrete an oily substance called sebum, and the erector pili muscle is a small involuntary muscle attached to the base of the follicle. The three main layers of the hair shaft are the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer, the cortex is the middle layer containing melanin, and the medulla is the innermost layer composed of round cells. The essential elements in human hair are carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur, referred to as the cones elements. Hair strength and elasticity comes from hydrogen, salt, and disulfide bonds in the cortex. Natural hair color results from the melanin in the cortex. Eumelanin provides brown and black color, while pheomelanin provides red, ginger, yellow, and blonde tones. The wave patterns refer to the shape of the hair strand, which can be straight, wavy, curly, or extremely curly. Hair grows in phases: anagen, the growth phase; catagen, the transitional phase; and telogen, which is the resting phase. Vellus hair is short, fine, and unpigmented, while terminal hair is long, coarse, and pigmented. Abnormal hair loss, or alopecia, can result from various conditions. Types of hair loss include androgenic alopecia, alopecia areata, and alopecia totalis. Treatments include minoxidil, finasteride, and hair transplant surgery. Common hair disorders include cantites, which is gray hair, hypertrichosis, which is excessive hair growth, trichoptilosis, which is split ends, trichorexis nodosa is knotted hair, monothrix is beaded hair, and fragilitis cranium, which is brittle hair. Scalp disorders include dandruff, fungal infections like tinea, and parasitic infestations like lice and scabies. When performing a hair and scalp analysis, observe hair texture, density, porosity, and elasticity. Look for any abnormalities that may require medical attention. In conclusion, understanding the properties and disorders of the hair and scalp is essential for providing effective barbering services. Proper analysis and knowledge ensure client safety and satisfaction.